Yes, I'm coming back regarding this video. Yes, in this video I talked about how I set up some quick actions for touch bar, and you guys asked me a lot of, showed interest in that, so I would like to elaborate a little bit with two examples how I did this. Okay, let's start from this. So first, when you are using your Mac, you type in automator, and then automator, when it opens up, you click on quick action and you choose, and then from here on search bar you type in Apple script and you create a new Apple script. So then you can write some cool Apple script. Apple script is kind of like a language that you can write and execute some operation, or you can have even like shell script if you're more comfortable with that, or other pre-existing quick actions. For example, you can go to internet and you say display a web page, so you add a widget or a section to your whole workflow, and then you can run it and then you see what happens. So okay, let's start with this. Don't make it complicated. I don't want to go to predefined is actually easier. You can go and use it, but let's go with the one that we talk. Like we search Apple on everything script, we click on it. You already had one, so here is empty. Everything it has, you delete it. I had prepared already two examples here for you. One is that we set to the dark mode and switch back. So we want to make a key that it switched to the dark mode. It basically says you tell application and blah blah. The application is called system events, and then you tell them the appearance. Do you want to change it and set it to dark and blah blah. Okay, let's save it. And we got some options here. We can set the color. We can change. The picture or image. To be honest, I went down there. I found some pictures here, and I have some of the other pictures. And I think, okay, let's picture of myself. I choose picture of myself. How about that? So I do this and I save it with Command S, and let's call it mode or night. Okay, day and night mode. Save it. You can run it so you can see that what actually it does when you run it. It's supposed to run. So when you save this here, you are done with this. You close that, and then you go to your setting and you go to keyboard, and you basically need to go to shortcuts. You go to services. You make sure that you have data night, the script that you saved here under general. So these are the previous one that I made before preparing the example. You ignore this, but this is the one that we created, and it is already here. You just make sure that it's already checked in, it's activated. And also you check here touch bar extension. So you make sure that this one is also added here. These are the previous one. As I said, I created already some example. I was preparing this video. So there you go. You make sure that it is here. And then when you add this, what happens when you click on, let me just bring this touch bar again, this customization. When you customize, basically under quick action, you will see, so I'll create another example. You will see so I have to use another camera. for recording to show you the actual change. So but when you customize, basically your quick action would be under quick actions here, and then when you tap on this, it will show your command and your button. Let's create another one, and then so we go to Automator, create a new one. We want to see the result of both of them at the same time. So call Apple, same thing, script. And then this time we want to do something different. For example, we want to open a website. We want to, like, for example, open DoorDash. Every time that so I have a script for this, which is tell application Safari to the window 1 to open a tab. The command is also kind of like easy. It's not a complicated language. Let's put it on red because DoorDash is red. I already downloaded the logo DoorDash, so let's put it that also, and we save it. I'm gonna save it as what? DoorDash with you all. Okay, I'm gonna test it. Okay, save it here. Save. Okay, it works. I run it with this button and it works. So let's see if I have it under, oh, it's already here. So we have it here. We also make sure that the keyboard section has it. It's on app control. You can change it to quick actions so that you see only quick actions on the bar. Actually, that would be by default if you want to do it. And then I'll show you the rest with the other video, how I'm actually using the touch bar to open DoorDash. I'll show you in a second with the other camera. Okay, there you go. You would have it. This is actually the recording that I was recording right away. Let's put it down here. So after those all settings, you can see that if you go here and click on it, you will see, oh, day and night. Let's do it. Let's try to see day and night. Ooh, it changes. And then if you go again here, say I want to order DoorDash, opens DoorDash for you. And then you can also actually make it to change the URL exactly to the place that you want to order, and pick the food, and then immediately goes to the payment, and then you pay. That's it. So you have a more complicated version of it. I'll upload the code in somewhere in GitHub so that you can see the more script how you do that. But that is, yes, pretty much the idea behind this. This is actually very nice, DoorDash. So you have the button right here, so you can create your own with Automator. So you have a script here, and yes, I showed you the rest in the other video. I hope that you enjoy it.